So just like your QA scores and your categories, you can also customize your risks as well. So you give us a set of business risks, a bit of criteria here. So a label, that's always a good one to start with: compliance, customer satisfaction, legal risk, financial risks, reputational, operational. These are just some examples of the type of things you can set as a risk to your business, and a description as to why that's a risk to your business. And what that will do is it will tell the AI engine behind Insights360 what to look out for when it's analyzing the calls. And you can see here in our environment, we've got a number of risks set for demo purposes. You can see out of 184 calls, we have identified 203 risks to our business. So in a real world environment, that might be slightly over the top. But what it really does do is give us a good amount of data here to understand what our high, medium, and low priority risks are. And remember, these are risks that you set. You set what these risks are, what the description of them is. So for every call that gets analyzed, not only is it looking at QA, it's looking at the summarization, the next steps, the action points. It's actually trying to understand whether something is a risk to your business, whether it's a reputational risk, whether there's a customer satisfaction risk here. Is the customer likely to renew, for example? Or even worse, was there a financial risk, invoices not being paid, data protection, card details being present on the call, stuff like that. So this is just a really easy way to collate that information, to search by the types of risks, which again, you set, the date, if you know there's been a breach or a complaint of some sort, and by the severity.